everyone, and welcome back to Your Mortgage in a Minute. Today I'll be guiding you through construction home loans, what they are, how they work, and how they're different. Let's jump in. A construction home loan is a specialised type of mortgage product designed for people who are building a new home or undertaking major renovations. The key difference between a construction loan and a standard mortgage product is in how the funds are released. With a construction loan, the funds will be released in stages. This is called progressive drawdown. When you take out a construction loan, your lender will likely release the funds in 3 stages. Maybe when the slab is finished, the frame is done, and lockup is completed. Ways like that can be better for borrowers. You'll only pay interest on the money that's been drawn down at any given time. So, when you're halfway through the build process, you might only be paying interest on half of the total mortgage that you're taking out. When your build is completed, your construction loan will transform into a regular home loan and you'll begin making regular principal and interest repayments. For more insights and to compare some of the market's most competitive construction home loans, visit yourmortgage.com.au.